I think it's really something that I've dealt with myself, and a lot of the women in the peloton have, whether they admit it or not. You see it time and time again through a lot of different people, because you always think it's not going to be me. I'm not the person, like, I'm hard. Like I can keep going. I don't need to do what they say. I can train harder than everybody else. And then at some point, like, the wheels start falling off, and whether they fall off completely or not is neither here nor there. And I felt it, like, when I got into cycling, like you say, it's an environment that, like, it's completely normalized to not eat. And actually a lot of people run away from having, I think, eating disorders by getting into cycling, because, as you say, it's covered up.